When you are on a ONN box, whether it be the $20 box, the $30 box, or the $50 box, this all looks the same. For you to clear the data when trying to sign in to your TV service, this is where you go. You always land on For You. You use the remote to go over, and you go over here to the gear right there. You click Enter to get settings. Once you get there, you scroll down to apps. This is where you're at. Enter. Buy Smart Media is first. If it happens to be somewhere else, then you scroll down until you see it. And see, it landed there. So now I've got to go up one. And then over here, clear data right there. If you're trying to get logged in and it causes an error and you can't, you have to come where I just showed you and clear data. And then just hit the home button and it takes you back to your home screen. And then you go back down here and that's the new app. And this is where you click, and then you click, and then that's where you enter your username and password. You enter your username, and then you go down here to that, and then you enter your password there, and then you automatically move over, which I didn't do it, so the next is grayed out, but you automatically go over to next. And then over here it's going to say playlist is processing, and then you're going to see your numbers calculate right over here, and then it's going to be done over here. And that's how you do all of that.